Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us today. The topic for this webinar is how to increase your productivity and revenue with Insightly. All right, so let's dive in. Let's have you share your top 5 Insightly features and why you like them. And so let's start with number 1.
All right, number 1 is custom fields and layouts. You can view your data in a way that makes the most sense to you. So when you go in and create custom fields and sections, you can create sections on your layout for various purposes. So for example, I have an employment section for my employees where I can keep track of their hire date, their rank, their pay, etc. So in the video, we're going to see how you can mirror your existing paper forms and documents. In this video, it's going to show how you can go in and we're creating a custom field here, and you are able to create it however you want to, add the data that you want to. In this one, I created a lead organizer field. And then in the contact layout, I am able to assign a lead organizer to a customer. So as you can see here, I've got specific sections like household info, client details, emergency contact info, etc. And then you're able to show only the fields that are filled out in your contact so that it's less visual clutter once you actually get in to use that data. I personally lay out my fields exactly the way my paper form was, like my client intake form. I've got it laid out exactly the same. And then I use fields that can capture data to be filtered, sorted, etc., so that I don't even need as many reports. For example, we can look at our lead organizer client list. So we have our lead organizer drop-down field that has our organizers' names, and then client type, where we indicate whether they're not a client, they're a current client, past client, or inactive. And then by filtering those 2 fields, we're able to view a list of current clients for each organizer.